Hey guys, so this is my birds. Say hi. My nose not he's not into people, but this is Coco, our conure. Say hi. Hey Coco. And this is Goldie. This is Puto Chino. Amber. She's just cleaning herself. And we have Pepper. And we have Chiku. We have Tiku and Apu. We have lovebirds. There's Dovey. This is Binu. Say hi. And this is Chicky, our lovebird. She's a tame bird lovebird. She won't fly away. Say hi. Hey Chicky. Hello. This is Mitter is downstairs. This is Munchkin. Say hi, Munsky. Oh, Munsky's kind of playful. He wants squishies. This is Ruby. Say hi. Say hi. This is Rio. And this is Angel. You haven't sold it yet, you a big old cocktail. And these are the budgies. The budgies are a parakeet. You can call them whatever you want. Say hi. Hi there. And Mittu's downstairs. Oh, that's me. Yep. There's Mittu over there. Let me go real close up. See that? See, there's Mittu. Wait, I'm gonna go down. Just run up on the screen. This Mittu.